The Environmental Health Officers Association of Nigeria, Edo State chapter, on Monday paid a courtesy visit to the Honorable Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Sir Dr. Loki Esigbe, at the ministry's conference hall in Benin City. During the visit, the commissioner assured the association that the state government, under Governor Monjo Okpebholo, is always ready and willing to collaborate with the health workers to ensure the safety and health of Edo citizens. He emphasized that the governor is a good listener and through the effort of environmental health officers, will encourage the public to adopt better hygiene practices and maintain cleaner environment. He also assured the association that the ministry could address the challenges they are currently facing.
First, we are aware of what you have mentioned. We have taken note of it. And of course, health, they say, is wealth. As far as your responsibility and your duties are concerned as environmental health officers, Association of Nigeria, your duty is to ensure that all health officers who are working in the 774 local governments of the state, they ensure that they carry out sanitations in our various markets, schools, houses, wherever they find anything that is not palatable, and they ensure that they do the needful. I don't know where we have actually mixed it, but I think it is time we have to go back to those days. Where you hear the word environmental officer will be the beginning of wisdom. We have to go back to it. Because I still recall that every Saturday, we used to set it aside for sanitation. And the officers you see in the street are officers like you, who ensure that there is discipline in our various local governments in the area of waste management and cleanliness. Because it's cleanliness, they say, is next to what? Godliness. So since you have mentioned the issue of a lack of manpower, the government of Senator Monjo Okpebholo is a listening government. It's a government that ensures that Edo will rule Edo. Consultants can no longer find their feet in Edo State. We must use our Edo citizens to ensure that we clean up our environment. We must use them to ensure that we sanitize our environment through the environmental officers that you are superintending. Be rest assured that we will take up this matter because they say ask and it shall be given. Since people have asked, be rest assured we will partner with you. The ministry will anytime always call on us because we believe very strongly that the only way you can measure the strength of a nation is not the beautiful houses, it's the cleanliness and the health of every citizen in Edo State. So we must be ready to strengthen your organization to ensure that our citizens, Edo State citizens, will be safe and healthy in every area where they live in Edo State. All the vehicles we thought that belongs to Edo State were carted away by the previous administration. So it's quite unfortunate. And we'll continue to recover. We have recovered some, even those ones that they have taken to Lagos State and so many other hidden places. We are still in search for them. We will recover them and bring them back to Edo State for your use and for the benefit of Edo State.
The president of the Environmental Health Officers Association of Nigeria, Edo State chapter, Ebele Akere Christiana, explained that the purpose of the visit was to strengthen the partnership with the ministry and seek assistance with challenges they are currently encountering, such as manpower shortage and lack of vehicles. She expressed that resolving these issues could greatly improve their ability to serve the people of Edo State.
The reason why we are here is because of the challenges we have been having in our association. We are just newly elected into the office on the 31st day of November 2024. So the challenges we are having is that we have shortage of manpower in our office. Let's assume where I happen to be and having a dual capacity as the HOD environment in Iroa local government. We are just 4 environmental health officers that are there. And we have about 10 wards. And those 10 wards now, all those 4 environmental health officers cannot, including me, cannot cover such a ward, and our job will not be effectively be done. So I want you to use this office to help us. If there is any way they can help us to employ environmental health officers so that our job will be done diligently. And the second one is the equipment, mostly official vehicle for us to be carrying out our duty effectively. So we don't have much. So you don't expect us to, when there is no that kind of vehicle provision for it, our job will not be effective. Thirdly, is for us to do a familiarization visit with your office to ensure there is a good working relationship with us.
Faith Dibia reporting for Afema Reporters TV.